We'll guide you through how to fix no audio device is installed in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because it then means you don't have any sound. If I go and click here, you'll go and see we're unable to go and change the sound as well. So it's a really annoying problem. We're going to guide you through some different fixes we can try. So make sure this full guide, and hopefully by the end, we're going to have the device installed and it's going to be working and we're going to have sound back. Make sure this full guide carefully so there are different things we can try doing. So to get started with this, come to the bottom. There we want to go and press search like so, and you want to go and type in device manager. Now here you can go and click device manager like so, and it's going to go and open up. What you want to do is you want to go down this list and you need to come and find the option for sound, video, and game controllers. You can then go and expand it to the left, and we're going to go and see the different options in here. What you need to do is make sure these options are enabled. So you can go and see here, the Realtek R audio is disabled. It's got an icon on the icon. And also if we go and right click on it, it goes and says enable. Whereas if we go and right click another, it'll say disable, meaning it's currently disabled. So we're going to right click on it and enable it. Sometimes just doing making sure they're all enabled should go and resolve the problem. You can go and see that solved it for me. If it still hasn't for you, don't worry. The next you want to do is go and right click on the audio device here. You can actually do this for each one of them as well. And you can go and then press update driver. And you want to go and press browse my computer for drivers. Press let me pick from a list of available drivers and you can select it. Then you can press next. It's now successfully updated and we can press close. We'll press no for now. And you can then go and see if that solves the problem. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, what you want to do is go and find your audio device. Once again, mine's the Realtek R audio, and you want to go and right click on it, and you can go and press uninstall device. Confirm the decision, don't tick this, you can just press uninstall, and it will then go. Now, if you're finding it's not showing up in this list at all, then this applies as well. What you can then do is try restarting it. So press the Windows Start button at the bottom, then go to the bottom right and press the Windows Power button and press Restart. When it restarts, it should go and refresh, and it should go and then resolve the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.